What if your kitchen faucet didn't just deliver water, but transformed how your sink looks and works? Today, I'm reviewing the Joom Waterfall Kitchen Sink Faucet, a sleek black kitchen faucet with a pull-down sprayer that combines modern waterfall style with commercial-level performance. But is it just a pretty faucet, or is it actually worth your money? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this faucet belongs in your kitchen. Product features. Let's start with what makes the Joom Waterfall Kitchen Sink Faucet stand out. First, this faucet features a 3-function pull-down sprayer. You get a powerful, wide spray that blasts away stubborn food residue, a gentle aerated stream perfect for rinsing fruits and vegetables, and a sweeping spray mode that gives wide coverage for cleaning large pots and pans. Next is flexibility. The faucet comes with a 360-degree swivel spout and a retractable PEX hose, giving you excellent reach and freedom of movement, great for busy kitchens. The single handle design lets you control both water temperature and flow with one hand, making multitasking faster and easier. In terms of build quality, this is a waterfall-style kitchen faucet made from eco-friendly SUS 304 stainless steel. That means it's resistant to rust, corrosion, and daily wear. And installation? Super simple. The faucet includes a pre-attached deck plate and pre-installed hoses, so you don't need a plumber or special tools to get it set up. Pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly about the good and the not-so-good. Pros. Stylish black waterfall design that instantly upgrades your kitchen. 3 spray modes for different cleaning tasks. Smooth 360-degree swivel with flexible pull-down hose. Durable stainless steel construction. Easy DIY installation, no plumber required. Single handle control makes everyday use simple. Cons: the waterfall design may splash more if water pressure is very high. Matte black finish may require regular wiping to avoid water spots, and not ideal for those who prefer a traditional faucet look. Overall review. Overall, the Joom Waterfall Kitchen Sink Faucet delivers a great balance of style, performance, and value. It's not just about looks. The spray power, flexibility, and solid stainless steel build make it a practical choice for everyday cooking and cleaning. This faucet is perfect for homeowners who want a modern kitchen upgrade, love the waterfall aesthetic, and still need commercial-style performance without spending a fortune. If you want a faucet that looks premium, works hard, and installs easily, this one is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest kitchen faucet reviews, and check the product link in the description to see today's best price on the Joom Waterfall Kitchen Sink Faucet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.